Good morning. Good morning. How are you today? How did you sleep? I slept well, thank you. How about you? I feel tired today. Oh no. I hope you feel better after some coffee. Let's have breakfast. What do you want for breakfast? I would like some toast and coffee. What's the weather like today? It's sunny and warm. Perfect for a walk. I need to get ready. What time is your meeting? In about an hour. I'm running late. Don't worry, you will make it. Where is my phone? It's on the kitchen counter. I'm almost ready. Great, I will wait for you. Have a great day. You too. See you later. What time is it? It is 8:30 a.m. I need a coffee to wake up. I will make some for you. I'm feeling hungry. Let's grab some lunch. Let's go for a walk. That sounds like a good idea. Where do you want to go? Do you want to join me? Yes, I would love to. I'm heading out now. Okay, take care and have a great day. See you later. See you soon. I will call you when I'm free. Great. I'll wait for your call. Let's meet up this afternoon. Sounds good. What time? How about 3 p.m.? Are you ready to go? Yes, I'm all set.